real estate investors. The One Big Beautiful Bill Act just reshaped the tax landscape, and there are some big wins for you. First, 100% bonus depreciation is now permanent. That means you can still take huge upfront write-offs on property improvements, especially with cost segregation studies. Second, 1031 exchanges are fully preserved. You can keep deferring capital gains by rolling property sales into new purchases, a powerful long-term strategy. Third, qualified opportunity zones got an update. Starting in 2027, there's a new 5-year rolling deferral period, giving investors more flexibility to reduce or delay taxes. And finally, energy efficient provisions are narrowing. Many residential credits are expiring, but commercial battery storage incentives last through 2032. Overall, timing is everything. Plan your acquisitions, improvements, and sales around these new rules to maximize your tax savings. If you're a real estate investor, let's connect and see how these changes could impact your portfolio.